हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोग को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। बिकॉज ऑफ सम इश्यूज as I written in the YouTube, we were not done any video on Thursday or Friday, so I'm not going to review anything what happened, but I'll just tell you one thing, that how people take benefit of my views in video. There is a level here on Bank Nifty. This is around 35,160 to 170 range, और मैंने बोला था कि मार्केट कभी भी यहाँ पे आएगा तो आपको बाय करना है। तो किसी ने इंट्राडे में उस दिन बाय किया होगा तो even in such a big fall they might have made some money, and I said do not trade after, because my view was if Bank Nifty was closing below this demand zone of ours, which is 35,130, 150, why I said if it closes below 35,150 then we will take PE. The reason is very simple, guys. Market, first of all, let us do the analysis, because we are not doing review of any video now. Market has started from a bottom from here. If you look at 30,000, it has made a movement of almost 5,000, 6,000 points, right? Correct? 6,000 almost. 6,000 is like 20% of Bank Nifty's, right? 6 into, yeah, 17 to 18% of move of index, okay, from here. And if you look at here in one stretch, it is around 12 to 15% movement in Bank Nifty in one direction, right? So the view is, can it go in a bull run like this? Okay. So first of all, my view is not towards bull run. There are two reasons. If you remember, I said in the month of April that most probably we will see a downside movement in the first half of the month and a upside movement in the second half of the month. So we have a trend changing date here, 14 June. There is a trend ending day on 2nd June also, where we're expecting the market to come down, but it actually cheating kiya on the 3rd June, right? If you look at on 3rd June, and it consolidated. So Astrome, the problem is the error can happen in 1 or 2 days. So nobody can be perfect in an exact date. Sometimes it happens on exact date. But the view was कि 2nd June के बाद market may not go up that big, okay, ideally. And the view is till 14 June, we may see a downtrend. If market, even if is not ready to come down heavily, it will at least do a consolidation. VIX is already down. See, VIX is below 16. So do not expect a big move. See, the Friday the move was here. I didn't make any video, but ideally I would have been in a sell on rise on Friday anyway, because it's a profit booking day and market has made quite a good amount of move. But अगर VIX ज़्यादा होता, ओके, तो ये जो 700 800 की मूव है, ये मिनिमम 1200 पॉइंट्स की मूव होती बैंक निफ्टी में मिनिमम, ओके. बट एनीवे, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर नॉट डिस्कसिंग. व्हाट few, I will answer one question. Few people ask me, since the VIX is down, the premiums are not going up that big, whether it is beneficial for seller or beneficial for buyers and all those, right? See, whenever VIX is low, it is beneficial for seller anyway, no doubt. Option sellers are going to make money. The reason is market movement, the bigger movement, right? For example, I'll go a 5-minute time frame. Okay, I was looking on Friday moves, right? If you look at this move from here to here, I came into market at a very late stage after 2-3 days, but I took this sell. The reason of taking this sell is this level, right? And then we have swing highs, swing lows here, right? And that is the reason we took a trade. But whenever I taken the trade from here to here, the movement is how much? If you look at almost 300 points. But I think the option, okay, the option move around 120, 130 points, if I have not missed anything else, right? And it was almost at the money. It is a little bit out of the money, but still in a regular day, in a 400 points in Bank Nifty, and at the money would actually go at least a 280, 270 points easily, right? So there is a premium of 100 that we are losing, right? So just say people who have watched my scalping video, I used to generally, so answer is very simple, guys. See, the money that we get in option buying or option selling naked, okay, that money no strategy will give you. Okay, hedge strategies and everything are safe, slow money and all those. But if you want to make big money, for example, let's say, then this naked buying and selling, if you are very, very confident about demand, supply, labels and all those stuff, and you know market is going to react from that stage and you have a view, then you will make huge money in naked buying and selling. I'm not recommending to do that, but what I'm saying, people like me who have done that, they need to change their strategy a little bit. How do they option buying and selling? Previously, in all the scalping, I used to target for 50 points in Bank Nifty. Now, looking at the way VIX is and the movement is happening, right? I would ideally now will look for 20 points maximum in a scalping, and in a like 400 point move in a spot price, I would look for a 35% return. Previously, it used to be 60% return, right? So that means if the Bank Nifty is moving 300 points, you can only target for 100 point. Previously, we used to get 100 points in scalping itself if it is a 200-point candle, right? So those are the changes that you need to bring into your system. Otherwise, if you are addicted to taking 100 points, you'll wait. The candle pattern and the behavior of the chart pattern is not going to change. The only problem you're going to have is less premium that you're going to get. So that change in mind and psychology has to be there if you want to continue intraday trading. Okay. I hope I answered the question. It's a single line answer. Reduce the amount of premium you are expecting in your naked buying and selling. As simple as that. Okay. Right. So that is the answer. People who ask me, okay, how we are going to trade without this margin and all those stuff and all those. Margin is not going to affect option buyers anyway. Okay. Previously, you used to get whatever small money, that doesn't matter. Option sellers margins are really, really high requirement now, especially naked ones, right? Correct. So it is going to affect option sellers. Okay. Now option sellers has to wait for longer term to get the similar return. It's not like option buyers are only in danger. Option sellers are also in danger. Previously, जितना premium उनको एक move में मिलता था, for example, naked selling की बात कर रहा हूँ, they will not get that kind of premium now. Okay, so they have to wait for longer time to get similar amount of return. So an option seller also, you have to reduce your expectation. So reduction of expectation in terms of premium is going to be the new normal. Okay, they cannot expect similar premium. Simple. Okay, so that was the tip. Now coming to our analysis, weekly analysis, guys. So my view, I have already told you. Or Bank Nifty, what I told you guys, if you remember last week also, Bank Nifty is trading in this channel, right? The moment Bank Nifty comes out of this channel, Bank Nifty will become weak. Okay, now look at 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 days, Bank Nifty is at similar place or probably a little bit reduced, right? In terms of spot price, whenever it started coming below the channel on 2nd June. Okay, I was confident that the market will go down a little bit, but it went up, right? It went. Our position was hedged, so we didn't get a big loss, but market went up. But if you look at the behavior, what I told you is ideally, we talked about below the trend line, this trend line, market will become weak, especially Bank Nifty. Okay. Now, the minimum target that I have given you guys is how much based on this channel also, this channel. The minimum target that I have given you on the upside was this much, 36,200, and maximum I gave 36,736. Can Bank Nifty continue it in the next week? Ideally, it should. Okay. But the view is ideally on the sell and rise most probably next week. ऐसा नहीं है कि sell and rise कभी buy on dips में convert नहीं होगा. If it is going to happen, then we are going to change our view on intraday anyway. And I gave you one thick level here if you look at, which was ideally the breakout of Bank Nifty at this level. And we have a big demand zone here, which is 34,100. मैंने बोला है ये लेवल आपको कंटिन्यू करते जाना है, ये डिमांड जोन को आपको कंटिन्यू करते जाना है. Whenever market touches here, you will get a 700 to 800 point move on upside. That view is still valid. Okay, we just need to see whether next week market is coming down for retesting or not. There are two scenarios that will happen in Bank Nifty. If market has to retest this level, market on Monday itself will trade below this level जो मैंने Friday आपको दिया था 35,150. If Bank Nifty is going to trade below this level on Monday and closing below, especially this demand zone, 34,900, you become almost sure that Bank Nifty is going to retest this level and then the bull run will continue. Okay. A lot of people might be telling you Bank Nifty around 38,000, 48,000. I'm not saying that it is going to happen. It may happen after 6 months, 7 months. I don't know. But in 2 weeks, it cannot happen. Okay. As simple as that. Because this level is powerful, 36,200. 36,723 is also very, very powerful. That means market will give a sell from here. Good amount of sell, like minimum 500, 600 points sell from these levels. Okay. Intraday. Okay. And any follow through will make them weak. That is what my view is. And second thing is, when you are going to change your view on a weekly basis, simple. Today's high, sorry, Friday's high, 35,900. If Bank Nifty any day in next week closes above 35,900, then you sit on a bull run. That means CE run. Kahan tak the target is this 35,730, sorry, 36,700. 36,000, yeah, 36,730, and then you have 37,100. So next week max to max this 37,100 in one condition, that Monday market has to close above this level. That means if you look at the candlestick pattern also in Bank Nifty, guys, this is an bearish engulfing candle. Can you see how many candles it has engulfed? 1, 2, 3. If you minus this week, little bit weak you have to minus, but if you minus this, Bank Nifty has engulfed 1, 2, 3 candle. It's a powerful bearish engulfing candle. If you get a follow through of this candle, what is the follow through level? 35,150. If you get a follow through candle and then 34,000, you have a demand zone here, very small one. Market can give you a cheating here and then fall, but somehow if 34,900 के नीचे market close कर देता है any day, you probably can take a P and continue up to 34,700. So 34,100. That means we're talking about a 800 point fall. Now considering the VIX, the 800 fall may not happen in a day. It may happen, it may not happen. Okay, but in 2 days maximum, Bank Nifty can come down here. Okay, scenario already I have given on a weekly view when you are going to go for this target and when you are going to go for this target. Simple. This candle's low and this candle's high. Whatever side it breaks, and we have target on target 1, target 2, target 3. On the downside, we have target 1, 34,900, and we have target 2. There is no target 3. Okay, because there is a black level here, but I don't think target 3 will come, because I'm saying whenever market comes here, it will give you a 700 to 800 point move upside in one direction. Okay, so downside we have only target 1 and target 2. Upper side we have target 1, target 2, target 3. That is how we are going to trade. Upper side I am not that kind of bullish. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेरा सिनारियो जो है मार्केट रेंज बाउंड टू डाउनसाइड रहना चाहिए. Okay, the reason I have already given you, multiple reasons we have. Okay, so I will not prefer to go for a ultra bull mode into market next week. Okay, but we will change the view. We will change the view unless the high of the current candle, Friday's candle, is cut, then only, otherwise not. Okay, now coming down to Nifty. Sorry, I was in bank. Coming down to Nifty. Nifty में if you guys remember, मैंने आपको ये चैनल मैंने बोला था जब ये चैनल ब्रेकआउट हुआ था. What I told, this is a 5-month consolidation channel. If market is breaking out this channel, you will get minimum the channel width का target, which was around 900 points from this channel. If you look at 900 points is this level, 15,762. जो मैंने लास्ट वीक भी दिया था आपको. मार्केट यहाँ पे टच नहीं किया है. सो लुकिंग एट SGX निफ्टी, अभी क्या दिख रहा है कि मार्केट माइट ओपन, प्रोबेबली माइट ओपन टुमारो अराउंड दिस लेवल इटसेल्फ डायरेक्टली 15,770 780 के आसपास. SGX निफ्टी exactly at this level right now. I'm not saying that Nifty will open exactly at this level, But what I say, there is a possibility that market can open here. If market is opening directly here, I'll give you the Monday's trade. You can go for a straight sell, because our view was whenever market will reach 15,760 to 15,780 ka range, we will see a correction in Nifty. That was the view. That view is still valid, guys. Okay, that view is still valid. If for example, tomorrow market does not close below this level, below 15,700, you are not going to initiate any downside trend anyway. Market might get range bound here. Okay, this Bank Nifty mein we have a very solid view of market going down. Nifty mein we do not have a solid view of market going down. Okay, Nifty mein the solid view is here. Friday ka low hi hai. You have a zone here. If you can see on a daily time frame, you will see, but here there are small zones. The level is this 15,618. Okay, iske niche, because these are 2 days consecutive closing lows. Lows. Okay, daily lows. So 15,620. Anybody remember this was one of our black level? If people remember, मैंने तो वीडियो थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे के लिए नहीं बनाया था. 15,619 ये लेवल मैंने लास्ट वीक आपको दिया था, राइट? और ये लेवल से देखोगे अगर मार्केट हैज मूव ट्वाइस, once and twice. Okay, so this was a powerful level. So we will only go in a downtrend if Nifty closes below 15,620, otherwise not. Okay, see downtrend में the target मैंने जो दिया था according to the structure, मैं एक लेवल देता हूँ 15,501 guys, this one. इसको थोड़ा सा हम कलर ब्लैक करेंगे और फैट बनाएंगे. मार्केट का जो स्ट्रक्चर है 15,500 कैन कम. इफ इट हैज टू कम, इट विल कम इन 2-3 days. If it has to come, it will come in 2-3 days. Okay, that means we are saying कि अगर निफ्टी 15,620 के नीचे चला जाता है, you have a straight 120 point sell without any confusion, and market will give a reaction from your guys. This is a reaction level 15,501. That means whenever market is coming down here, do not expect market to go further down. Market will give a 100 point buying again here 600, and then it may consolidate. Okay, so our trading would be 15,000. I would personally would like a Nifty 15,000 bull run बनाने से पहले 15,500 एक बार touch करे. What are the possibilities there? Tomorrow market opens here around 760, 770 level, comes down 100 point, and then in Tuesday also it comes down 100 point, 15,500, or Wednesday tak maximum, and then consolidate here on Thursday, and then based on the Friday move, we will see whether we are going downside or we will continue the uptrend. Okay, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay, Monday fall, Tuesday fall scenario, it may happen, it may not happen. If market touches here any on the Wednesday anytime, we will take a buy range, Thursday range bound, and then we will decide towards probably upside. Okay, now scenario 2 जहां पे on a weekly basis market जो है ये 762 के लेवल के ऊपर मंडे भी क्लोज कर देता है, देन नेक्स्ट वीक में हमारा कोई ट्रेड मेरा बनता नहीं है एक्चुअली, बिकॉज एट दिस ऑल टाइम हाई आई विल नॉट टेक ए अल्ट्रा बुल रन फॉर श्योर. ओके, बिकॉज मार्केट को अगर गिरना नहीं होगा ना, ज्यादा से ज्यादा मार्केट ये रेंज में कंसोलिडेट कर जाएगा. दैट मीन्स माई range for next week would be 15,500 to 15,800. Upper side is limited for my side. Okay, downside might be bigger. Probability ये है कि market consolidate करे but आपको down trend की movement दिखाए. Okay, that is what. Now people will ask, कि sir VIX is so low, why you are saying कि market will fall? See, VIX के साथ market का fall होने का ज़्यादा बड़ा relation नहीं है. VIX is low means the premiums will be low. It doesn't mean that you will not get red candles. What it says is you cannot go for a drastic move in Bank Nifty or Nifty fall. Like Bank Nifty, we have seen 1,200, 1,300 points fall also in a day. That will not happen. Nifty may we have seen 300 point, 400 point falls in a day. That will not happen. Okay, we may see might have a 100 or 150 points fall max to max. Okay, so that would be, guys, my view for the next week. Consolidation, two downside, upside I will not take any trade. Market may give you a ultra bull run possibly, but अगर वो होगा तो हम इंट्राडे में पकड़ेंगे. We have a level. Bank Nifty में the levels are very very clear. Nifty में the levels are not that clear, but anything above 762 we should not initiate sell also. We should not initiate sell also. Okay, market will only initiate confident sell if it goes below 15,620, otherwise not. Okay, let us go for a tomorrow's trade, guys. फटाफट करता हूं मैं ये. Okay, tomorrow's trade के लिए Friday we have a buying zone here. Okay, and I have just shifted the buying zone to a little bit lower. Okay, the reasons are many, but Bank Nifty में the selling zones are these, guys: 35,510, 35,634. That means we have good amount of resistance for Bank Nifty, and we have, and that makes our view के market sell on rise में रहेगा. That means whenever market reaches to this level or market reaches to this level, okay, you can go for a sell. Clear? उसमें आपका स्टॉप लॉस कितना होगा? अगर यहाँ से द कॉन्फिडेंस सेलिंग इज हियर 35,636. अगर मार्केट कभी पहुंचता है, द स्टॉप लॉस वुड बी दिस 35,690 700 के आसपास. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 70 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस टारगेट वुड बी आइडियली दिस और प्रोबेबली द पिवट 423. ओके, तो 70 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस में 210 220, सो 1:3 रिस्क रिवार्ड में आप सेल कर सकते हो. ये जोन आप बना के रखो, दोनों जोन में सेल आएगा. मैं बताता हूँ कैसे करना है. एंड दिस इज स्मॉल बाइंग जोन. द कॉन्फिडेंट एंड बिगर बाइंग जोन इज हियर 35,050 to 35,950. This is a zone. In this entire zone you have a buying, and these two buying zones are consecutive in nature, guys. So this becomes a very 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 powerful level for me. That means बैंक निफ्टी अगर कभी भी 34,960 के आसपास आता है, go for a 300 point buying easily. Sorry, 250 points buying easily. Okay, that means option buying में आप कितना टारगेट करोगे? Only 50 to 60 points. Option buying में you will target only 50 to 60 points, a little bit out of the money, 1 or 2 strike out of the money. Okay, that is how you are going to trade. ये जोन बना के रखो, ठीक है. मंडे के लिए, मंडे का ट्रेडिंग दे रहा हूँ. मंडे में आई डोंट थिंक मार्केट विल गो बिलो दिस. ओके, एंड आई डोंट थिंक मार्केट विल गो अबव दिस. नाउ दिस इज ए जनरल सिनेरियो. अदर सिनेरियो, इफ मार्केट गैप्स डाउन, ये ऑलरेडी मैंने वीकली वीडियो में बता दिया आपको. वीकली व्यू में मार्केट सीधा 34,900 के नीचे अगर गैप डाउन कर देता है तो वीकली पोजिशनल भी बाय मत करना. मार्केट विल कम डाउन. Market will come down 800 points towards 34,100. The only cheating that might happen, market may go up here and give you a sell around this level, not here, give you a sell around this swing high 35,200 touch करके दोबारा sell करे. That is the only possibility. Okay, but do not initiate big buying here. Don't be a bull. Now you will only become a bull. जैसे मैं बोला, ये हाई फ्राइडे का जो हाई है उसके ऊपर अगर जाता है तो आपको बुल बनना है. इंट्राडे में you can become a bull if market going above 35,700. Either it is going up, looks very rare, like 400 point gap up looks very rare, but by chance it does, then your target is, guys, this 35,930. Market will definitely on intraday, Monday की बात कर रहा हूँ, on intraday it will definitely fall from 35,950. okay, sorry, 930, 35,930 में fall करेगा. This is upside scenario. Sell, flat opening going up, sell. This is a confident sell with a 70 point stop loss. This is a era sell. I mean, cannot guarantee much, but market may fall. Market may fall and you might miss the trade. Okay, possibly. Buying में, would I buy from here? Possibly I will buy for here depending upon the timing. पहले मैं आपको timing दे देता हूँ. ये अगर timing आता है, please take a screenshot of this. So if you get a timing here 11:15 के around either this level or this level, wherever bank nifty is, अगर 11:50 11:30 के आसपास लेवल आता है, you get a positive price action, you go for a buying. बाइंग कितना आपको टारगेट करना है? सिर्फ 200 पॉइंट्स, 200 to 250 पॉइंट्स, उससे ज्यादा बैंक निफ्टी में आपको शायद ना मिले. रेस्ट इज बोनस, केवल शायद ना मिले. यू मे गेट, मे नॉट गेट, कैन नॉट गारंटी दैट. ओके, बट अगर आप स्ट्रक्चर देखोगे, मार्केट जैसे यहाँ पे कंसोलिडेट किया है, वेरी वेरी हाई चांसेस के मार्केट गैप अप ओपन करे. तो मार्केट अगर गैप अप ओपन करता है मॉर्निंग में, सेलिंग जोन में मैंने आपको बोला है कैसे सेल करना है. मार्केट जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे ओपन करता है, यू कैन नॉट सेल, then in that case you need to wait for sell here. The other scenario to sell is market opens here, comes down, touches the pivot, goes up, touches the sell zone again and again comes down. The second leg of price action mein, in the below the sell zone you can sell, you can get a wonderful selling at least up to this level 35,130. okay, that, and this, if this behavior happens, market is clearly telling you that market is weak. If this behavior happens here, we are still confused, but if market opens up straight here, do not sell, do not sell. You can sell. Same scenario of second leg of price action, it pierces the sell zone, goes up and then go for a sell, otherwise you do not sell. okay, टाइमिंग आपको वेट करके रखना है. वैसे 9:15 to 11:15 जो है वो डाउन साइड टू रेंज बाउंड है, तो मुझे जो लगता है मार्केट कल गैप अप होके फर्स्ट 2 आवर्स इट माइट कम डाउन and then next 2-3 hours it will go up. तो एक रेंज बाउंड टाइप मार्केट दिख रहा है मेरे को. तो उसके हिसाब से कल हमको ट्रेड करना है. निफ्टी का भी मैं बता देता हूँ कि ट्रेड कैसा करना है. निफ्टी में द लेवल्स, वीकली लेवल्स आर पावरफुल एंड वीकली लेवल्स विल एक्ट टुमारो, विल हेल्प अस इन टेकिंग द सेल ऑल्सो. 760 का लेवल मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको दिया है एंड ये सेल जोन है 780 के आसपास है, राइट. तो दिस इज एन वंडरफुल सेल कि मार्केट अगर 15,780 पे अगर डायरेक्ट ओपन करता है, डायरेक्ट, ओके, मेरे हिसाब से एक 90% हाई प्रोबेबल सेल आपको मिलना चाहिए अप टू दिस हाई. ये जो सेल जोन है यहाँ तक. बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी का अगर देखोगे स्ट्रक्चर सेम ही है. देयर आर 2 सेल जोन्स एंड देयर इज ए बाय जोन बिलो एट ए वेरी फार प्राइस. 2 सेल जोन, बाय जोन at a very far spot price. okay, that is how we are going to trade. so यहाँ पे भी वही ट्रेड करना है. 780 पे you go for a sell, 762 पे भी सेल कर सकते हो. देखो ओपन कहाँ पे करता है, this entire zone is a sell zone for me, right. then 11:30 के आसपास आप देखो मार्केट कल निफ्टी जो है पिवट से भी बाइंग दे सकती है, which is 15,670, और बैंक निफ्टी विल गिव यू ए बाइंग अराउंड दिस लेवल. डेज का जो लो है वही 15,620 का, जो ये थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, गड़बड़ हुआ है. या दिस वुड बी दिस, या 15,620 से भी आपको बाइंग दे सकती है. उस केस में आपकी स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ पे होनी 605, वेरी वेरी स्मॉल स्टॉप लॉस के साथ आप बाइंग कर सकते हो. ये जो मूव है, दिस मूव विल बी रिपीटेड टुमारो इफ इट हैपेंस आफ्टर 11:15. everybody is clear. Now if bank nifty gaps down tomorrow below 15,610, जो मैंने बोला 620 के नीचे तो सेल ही है अपना. तो इंट्राडे में माय टारगेट वुड बी दिस एंड टारगेट 2 वुड बी दिस. दैट मींस 15,560, 15,501. गैप डाउन में निफ्टी कल ही 15,501 टच कर जाएगा, बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि गैप डाउन करेगा. अदरवाइज दिस इज ए पॉसिबिलिटी. जो मैंने ग्रुप में बोला कि 15,501 मेरे हिसाब से निफ्टी एक बार टच करना चाहिए. सो दैट it might touch tomorrow only in this scenario if it is gapping down straight below 620 level. clear guys everybody. जोन पे ट्रेड करना है. ये लेवल्स इतने पावरफुल नहीं है. दिस इज पावरफुल लेवल, this is powerful level, this is powerful level 730, pivot is powerful 676, and then you have a level here 620. okay, tomorrow's जो trade है depending upon the opening, market अगर ये 640 के ऊपर कहीं पे भी ओपन करता है, आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग मार्केट टू गो डाउन बिलो 620 टुमारो. दिस इज अ ह्यूज पावरफुल लेवल. बाइंग देगा, रेंज बाउंड कर देगा. ओके, मार्केट विल ओनली गो डाउन इफ इट स्ट्रेट opens below or in first 5 minutes it comes down below this. Otherwise it would be highly difficult for Nifty to go down heavily tomorrow. okay, so the target for us would be intraday mein, depending upon the opening, this on the downside, this on the upper side 760 to 780 जोन 780 ओपन करता है ब्लाइंडली कल सेल कर देना है, ज्यादा देखने का नहीं है, ऑल टाइम हाई और ऊपर जाएगा बोल के सोचने का नहीं है, 780 से सेल करना है. द बिहेवियर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी on an all-time high, whatever I have seen the market before, it is always the DIS selling in the morning session and FIS coming and buying in the second half. Okay, so first half में buying ऐसा भी next week थोड़ा सा दूर में रहने का है, ठीक है. Not try to buy big in the morning session. You can only buy big based on the timing that we are giving, and after 9:45, 10 o'clock, only if the first downfall is very very big. Otherwise आपकी trading style जो next week की होनी चाहिए, morning में always sell and the second hype में FII buying it. Okay, that is the behavior it is going to happen most probably next week. Hope these views are going to help you guys. I don't know how much it is helping. Only जो rule मैंने आपको बताया है initially, expectation low करने के लिए वो कीजिए, because the margin money required right now is high. तो market behavior, understanding it, how the market behavior changing because of the margin rule for a week is important. So low quantity में trade करें, low expectation के साथ trade करें for 1 week. After that market will tell you where it is going. Okay, whether the volumes are getting affected, VIX is getting affected or not properly and all those stuff. Then we can have a solid strategy next week that what we are going to trade. Okay, otherwise next week range bound to downside. That means sell on rise में mostly रहने के चांसेस ज्यादा है. ओके, दैट वुड बी माय व्यू गाइस. और स्टॉक्स मैंने कुछ कुछ दिया है ग्रुप में आपको. महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा का, ग्रैन्युअल्स और एमएनएम का दिया है मैंने. एमएनएम का मैंने 780 स्टॉप लॉस के साथ बाइंग दिया है, ठीक है, वो आप एक बार चेक करना. और ग्रैन्युअल्स का मैंने सेल दिया है, उसको भी आप चेक कीजिए. एक्सप्लेन करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज दीज आर प्योरली डिमांड सप्लाई वॉल्यूम बेस्ड ट्रेड्स. ओके, and if you know the concepts, you will understand, considering the level that I have given, we can trade based on that, and these are swing trades guys. Okay, we'll monitor how the swing trades are working. Thank you very much. Good night. Jai Mata Di.